All right, time for a new day. Let's get some lights. One nice thing about that lift I got, I could just take the pole right out and moved it over there. And when I get some help, I'll back the car out and get it a little more centered in the garage so I have room to work on this side. Because I won't take that one out of the pole, out of the ground. So, I got the AC lines removed. Let's take a look at this power steering and see if it's the same. Oh, looks like I broke that. Let's see here. Okay. So the controls. So I'm going to look at it this way since the tab's on the top. Oh, that's what broke right there. So red, white, black. Let's go look. See, look at that. It's fucking backwards. Son of a bitch. Why? Why, Subaru? Why? Okay, that plug looks different. And that plug is definitely different. So that tells me I gotta change the steering column. Shit. That's a 5 plug, and that's an itty bitty. I think they're different. See, look at that. That's a 6 plug. There's the itty bitty. And all 6 wires are used. I'm gonna have to change the fucking steering column. Son of a bitch. That really chaps my hide. Oh well, we'll worry about it a little later. I'm gonna start tearing into this thing. Guess I'd better get another box ready. let's get the seats out. All right, let's see. It should be a there's a tab right here. You just push down on it, and they pop right off. This thing making noise. Oh, don't forget the plugs on the bottom. All right. That's funny. That looks like the O2 sensor plugs. A little green guy back here in the back. Oh, where did that green one go? Okay, let's get the other side. Oh, pole's in the way, probably. It's all right. Oh, check that out. That's awesome. Big money. Not enough light in here, I can't see. Okay, to get these yellow connectors off, you slide down, and then it should just separate. Damn, these plugs got tiny little tabs in them, and I can't get a fingernail on them. Almost had it. Oh, damn it. Should have grabbed my flashlight while I was up. There. Okay. Oh, this is going to be tricky. Maybe I'll take it out from the other side. All right, let's see. So the back seat, there's the little pinchy thingies. Oh no, it's that thing you get your fingers underneath and you pull back. See? It just lifts right out. What am I caught on? looks like. What am I caught on here? Oh, there. I was caught on this hook right here. Looks like there's one over there too. So it probably comes out if you lift and do that. It'll come right out. All right, let's see here. Really need to get one of those metal tab pullers. This one, I just don't think this one does the job. But that one popped out pretty good. Something's been chewing on the fabric, it looks like. Better not have been a fucking mouse. I don't see any mouse shit. So, that's at least a good sign. It slips. So when go back together, these two grooves right here will slip in here. Looks like I left a green thing behind. There it is. Let's see here. I can't remember if this came out the same way or not. there's a screw there. I heard my phone, but I don't know where I put it. Oh, I love Harbor Freight. Okay. That's for the seat heaters. Oh, damn, that's right. This is the USB plug for the radio, and it's got a really weird connector to it, and there's a trick. Oh, that's right, you push on the forward part of it, it pops right out. And this is the cigarette lighter, and now that baby's free. Oh, I'm gonna put that back in there. And I should just take this and put it right back in here. And then get this. Oh, stretch. There. That went right here. Okay. Let's see, is the back of the WRX open? Probably not. Oh man, there's so much shit in the way. Well, another day. Well, here, we can just look at this. Okay, look. There's the screws right there. So it's gonna mount the same. Awesome. There's my 14. I've been looking everywhere for this. Okay. That's not supposed to. Okay. Now let's see what's holding this baby on. There should be. Yeah, there's a thing back here. There's probably one on the other side. Yeah, right there. Okay. So just give it a little pull That's what's holding it on right there. Throw that in the bin. Ow. Okay. Now I think man, this thing is dirty. It's gonna get a good cleaning. I wonder if I gotta get this out. Never go without napkins. 'Cause you never know. You gotta pull over on the side of the road and take a shit. If you remember, okay, this key I had made for the cross rails. I didn't get cross rails when there were no key with them. Just went to a locksmith and he made a key. Now when I did the WRX, this is what I was talking about, this little strut thing. So it makes it open and close nice and slow. And it should just pop off like that. Then you push in and then it comes down. And then this, it's just, it just holds on. It goes in this one. Maybe other models it goes in this one. Alright, let's see here. Okay, so it looks like I gotta drop this. There's screws. Okay. And then this just pops out. I think I got them all. Let's get this piece off. And you know what's going here? Carbon fiber, baby. Ah, look at that, sneaky bastard. Okay. All right, so the light has a plug. Let's see here. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff back here. Let me get the flashlight so you can see. Damn, it's getting hot. All right, so this guy and this guy should be able to just push them. And they go in like that. And then this guy's a little tricky because he's hard to see. Oh, actually, yeah, just kind of separate these and it just pops right out. So you can see On the cross track, see, they're mechanical and they have stops. The WRX had little motorized guys in there. So that's why I got to change all this out. But it's going to have to come out anyway because of that main harness running behind it. This harness right here. But everything else looks pretty much the same. This guy looks the same, this guy looks the same, even though they're totally different. Just everything's in the same place, so that's good. Now, I don't know what's holding. It looks like just these tabs right here, so I can just pull on it and it'll pop off. Let me get the other side off. What am I caught on here? Oh, this is just a little cover for the footwell. It looks like it's just held on by that guy and that guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of them. Okay. Don't think this guy. It might be though. Back with another camera. All right, so okay. It's on the side. All right, now this one should just pop right off. Oh, it's holding you on. Okay. That bolt and that bolt and this lower airbag will come out. And I need this little screwdriver. Oh. Okay, and these connections are just like the ones on the steering wheel. Just get a little screwdriver in there, get it to pop up. Oh, come on, quit moving on me. Like that, and then it pops right out. Maybe it's not up enough. Whoop, don't do it too far. That didn't hurt anything. Come out of there, you booger. There. I'll just put this back in. There. Man. This one's a little cruddy. Nice thing is, it's the same part as on the WRX. Alright. Now I think this center console should just pop right out. Oh, okay, so that comes out, and more screws. You think I'd be an expert at this already since I've done it before. Oh, 2 more screws right there. See, nothing should fight you. Everything should come out fairly easy, like that. And then remember, this is 2 pieces. You gotta be careful. They snap together right there, and you don't want to nerf those up. Let's see what's going on here. All right, let me get some 12s. You know, if any of you are wondering why I'm grunting and groaning so much, because I'm fucking 50 years old. I turned 50 last month. I can't believe it. I didn't think I'd live this long. And being an old Army vet, my body is busted. I am just flat out shocked that this is a direct shift. Look at that. That is wild. I don't know where the, it's in a bin somewhere, I bet. I bet you this goes on the inside. Fucking perfect. Except look at that, like a glove. It's gonna be, oh, this is gonna be an awesome car. Okay. Get these out of here. Get this out of here. Let's get the radio out. Climate controls. This is supposed to pop off. So here's the new wiring that I put in for the MFD. I've got videos on that. This piece is from a WRX, or you can either get it from a Forester. I think up to 18. And you just have to add this for the controller, and it lights up the buttons. And let's see here, so this should just pop out. Probably sit on my yellow thingy. Where's my yellow thingy? There. There's a pretty good sized connector right underneath here. That's probably what's giving me grief, because this should just come out. Oh, damn. Where's those needle nose? Did I put them right there? And I know I've shown this trick before. Make sure you take stuff out just in case, so you don't step on it or bust it, because I am known to do that. But I just take needle nose, I grab it right there, grab it right there, and just pull. pops right out. And you kind of and then there's the adapter. That's the adapter that you got to use. In fact, I'm going to take that off and just keep it with the MFD. Alright, so what is holding this in? Something's holding that thing in tight. It shouldn't be this hard to get this out. Oh, wait a minute. Now I remember. Mechanical. Got to take off the cables. So, rotate it so it's far, like that. Can you guys see that? Rotate the knob. And then you should be able to just, oh, there's a tab on it. Sorry if my arm's in the way. So you just push that tab down right there and then slide that off. And then I think this just pops right out just like that. Okay, same thing on the other side. Where's the flashlight? It's probably on the other side. Oh, that sucker's way up in there. Oh, I got it. Okay. Now this baby should just come right out. Where's this plug? It's giving me grief. Okay, the plug is right here. Why are you giving me so much grief? Damn Subaru and their tabs that are too small to get a finger on. Oh. I got sweat running into my eyes. Now there's 2 plugs. Don't get cut on any wires like I did here. Asshole Subaru. So when you change the radio, get this piece, this aftermarket piece, unscrew 4 pieces, because I had buttons probably integrated here. I know my WRX did, or no, the Forester did, so we used the same piece on my wife's Forester. Okay. Look at that rat's nest of wires back there. Oh, now I kind of regret taking the seats out. Oh, that's 12. Here's the 10. Oh boy. Look at this rat's nest. Please tell me I did okay. Oh, it's zip tied, damn it. Alright, I'm going to take these off. So these 2 go to the ODB2 plug, and that's how I got the gauges to the radio. You get, what is this guy right here? What is this? Oh, that's the dash cam. So let me disconnect the dash cam. This guy right here, Maestro RR. Awesome, awesome mod.